Good morning, people. I hope you're fine. Today I'm gonna show you steps by steps how you can apply in the electronic diversity visa program. I think there are many people who want to apply for the United States of America green card, but they don't know where to start, how to do it, or what are the chances that I have. Oh, so at what percentage will I win? So today I'm gonna explain to you everything, what you can do, what you cannot do. So let's begin. First of all, the electronic diversity visa program is a program that the United States of America launch every year in order to allow some country which have a low rate of immigrants to the United States, so they also have chance of immigrating to the United States of America. So first of all, before begin, you must read the program instructions. The program instructions are available in different languages, but for me, I read only the English instructions, so you can find on this website. So first of all, make sure you read the instructions because any error, any simple error in this application will make you disqualified for the program. So after reading those instructions, there are also other languages that the instructions have been translated in the Polish, Mongolian, Romanian, Ukrainian, Italiano, many languages. But those are that are unofficial translations. So the official instructions are available in the English format. So we are not going to read all the instructions, but it's up to you. It's your task and it's your responsibility to read all instructions to see if you are in the country which is allowed to enter into the program, or if you are not in the country that is allowed to participate into this program. Uh, Many countries are allowed to participate, but some countries, including Canada, including Mexico, Nigeria, are not allowed to enter into the program because they have more than 50,000 immigrants to the United States. So, after reading the program instructions, the other instructions that you must take care are the photo examples. So, if everything is okay, but your photo does not meet the minimum requirement, you will be disqualified for the program. So the tips for having a photo that is acceptable is this this tool where you will crop your photo, you will adjust it, you will so let me show you an example of how you can adjust your photo. Click here and choosing photos. Um, let's choose this sample image. You must adjust it very well, and after click you can reduce the size, increase, something like that, and just crop the size. After cropping this picture, your picture will meet all the requirements of your photo, including the size or how the head must be centered. All photo instructions can also be found here. Those are the photo examples. So how you will look about the shadows and lightning. You see, for example, this photo is not allowed because it's underexposed. You see But this photo, that color is not accurate. See, this photo is acceptable, it's on the white background. This one will not be acceptable because of those shadows. You see, what about the people who wear glasses? Glasses are not allowed in photos. You must remove your glasses before taking a photo. You see, those glasses are not allowed. This photo is allowed. And what about the size? You see, it should be 2/2. You must check first of all those to see if your picture or your photo meet all those requirements. At the resolution, you see, for example of a photo that is not acceptable. You must check all those conditions, and if his children, you see what are photo are acceptable, what are not acceptable. You see, this is not acceptable because it's foreign. You see, you must not hold your children in order to take the photo. The children must be alone. See, this is an example of an acceptable child photo. It's not opening. Let's take this. Okay, see, this is an example of an acceptable child. The children is facing the camera and there is no another person in the photo. So you must take care of the photo examples. So let's go step by steps how to apply. You click on begin entry and you receive the characters that you must, as the authentication code, you must type them correctly. CNM8CU. Submit. So you have only 13 minutes. So here include your last name, let's say Peter, or first name, let's say John. If you don't have a middle name, you must tick that you don't have the middle name. Let's say you are female, birth date, let's say 0101 2000, let's say this. Your birth city, let's say you don't know your birth city. It's okay, there is no problem. First, you must remember to tick. You must not let this empty without ticking that you don't know your birth city. So, country where you are born, this is the this country must be allowed to enter into the system. Let's say, for example, that you are born in, for example, let's say Luxembourg. Okay, your country of LGBTs. And so here on this part, you must include your name as they appear on your passport. So please, you must put your name as they appear in your passport. If in your passport your first name, you must not include it here. If, for example, John is on the first name on your passport, you must not include it here as the family name. So if on the family name, your family name is John, first name is Pierre, you must write it as they appear on your passport. Say you don't have the middle name, the passport number, let's say your PC2000 as an example. Okay. Or the expiration, let's say it will expire on 25. No, this is the month. In October 5 2020. Okay, let's say December 2022. And the country that issued the passport, let's say that it was also issued in, let's say, Japan, for example. Okay. And this is here you will choose your photograph that you have cropped here. The photograph, choose it in your own. Say this, let's say that this is the cropped image. Okay, see it appear here. In care of this image is optional, or address line 1. Let's say that you have, let's put in address. Let's say, for example, 5. The address one city town, let's say city X district country province district X. So you don't have the postal code. Country, you choose here your country. Let's say, for example, now Brazil. Let's say Cameroon. Okay, where you live today. Let's say you live in Australia, for example. But here you must know that you must include your correct information. Here, for example, that's why I'm including any information that I want. Say phone number. But this phone number is also optional. Um, the email address. Let's put email example at example.com. For example, here this is your right email, and you must confirm it. Email example at example.com. Okay. Must write this note. This email will be used to provide you with additional information if you are selected. Not that the United States of America Department of State will not contact you to this mail to tell you that you have been selected or you need some. So if you receive such email, know that it's a scam. It will not be from the United States office. So the highest level of education, let's say that you have masters. Here you must include your highest level. You must not lie, because if you lie, any single entry, you will be disqualified from the program. Even if you have been selected during the visa application, you will be disqualified. Okay, let's say marital status. Let's say that you are unmarried, or number of children. If you don't have a children, 0. You continue. Let's continue. When data validation error occurred at this trade, please scroll down to see the specific error message. Let's see which error did I commit. Your photo must be in GPG format. You see, I uploaded the PNG format and the photo must be the GPG format. Let's put this GPG format. Okay, then continue. You see, every entry must be specific. Okay, my photo, it does not meet also the size. You see, if my photo does not meet the right size, it will automatically tell me. So, which photo did I crop? This one. Let me save it. Or cropped image. Okay, let's say this cropped one, and go upload it. Cropped image. See, then continue. If your image is not right, if your image has some errors, you will not be selected. You must remember that. So if everything on the first page is okay, you see we have an option of checking if everything okay, your last name, gender, yes, country, where we're born, everything, every entry, your photo has been received, every entry that you put. And here, if you see that everything is okay, you must hit the submit button. See here, I'm not gonna hit submit because those are false informations and it's not legal to submit false information on any program. That's why I will not hit this submit button. But for you, if your informations are correct, you see that everything is okay, you will hit this submit button. If you see that there is something that you must correct, for example, if you see you want to correct, for example, or your passport number, for example, you will not use this back button. Do not use this back button. You will use this go back to part one. Please don't use this browser back button. It is not allowed. So after hitting this submit button, you will receive the confirmation number. Please print that confirmation number or save it in a secure place, in a secure way, because it will be your only key to use to check if you are selected or if you are not. So guys, thank you and good luck. Or if there is any problem or any issue that you don't understand well, that you want to know more about, kindly write it down in the comment and I will be ready to answer you in a proper way. So thank you so much. Guys, like, share, and please make sure you subscribe to see more any other videos that will help you in your life. Thank you so much. Good luck and bye.